Okay, so now we're going to go into that same game that we chose during our last video. And we're going to go in and duplicate and make some changes, learn how to make some changes. And we're going to go in and we're going to click that same game. Okay, the very same game that we had before. If you look over here where it says play and challenge, there's a star for favoriting this game if you like to. And then there's three little dots, okay, where you can preview, share, or duplicate the game. So you're going to go ahead and click on duplicate. Okay, and so now we have a duplicate of this game. Okay, the same way it looked over here previously is going to look that way here with that star where you can favorite this game and those three little dots. You're going to click those three little dots and then you're going to click where it says edit. Okay. All right, and so you can change the name. So you'll edit it and you can change the name to maybe Block 1 Review. Okay, Block 1 EOG Review. Pertaining to however you plan on using this particular game. Okay, and then you hit the OK go. Okay, oops, I'll leave those there. All right. All right. You have to have those hashtags. That's important. They like those. So you hit that and save it, right? So now it's called Block 1 EOG, all right? Then you go down and you may want to change the first question. So you hit this little icon here where it shows a little pencil and it says edit this question. So you're going to click on edit this question. And you may just want to change the add-ins. You may not want to use these numbers anymore. You may want to go a little lower depending on what group you're working with. Okay, and so now you've changed the whole question now, okay? Once you do that, you might want to give them a little bit more processing time. So you want to change that time limit from 20 seconds to 30 seconds. And then you want to make sure that you go in and you change the correct answer so that it shows up correctly and it makes sense to students who are working with these problems on the other end. And then you hit the next button. Okay, and if you scroll up, you'll see that that has been changed. Your changes are reflected here. If you go down, you also can add a question. So let's click the plus button and add a question. All right, so let's do 22, something simple, 22 plus 33. And we'll give them 30 seconds to answer. Let's go. You hit the upload image. You can add some media there. Okay. Scroll down and you want to make sure you click on one of these arrows, which is going to demonstrate where your correct answer is going to be. So if we have 22 plus 33, we know that our correct answer is going to be 55. And so you can just randomly put, incorrect answers in other places, because they're going to be wrong anyway. So it doesn't matter which wrong answer you put in. All right. So at that point, once you've done that, you click the next button and you'll see that the question that we just created shows up here as the last question. Okay. And then you hit the save button. All right. You can preview the Kahoot that you just duplicated and edited by hitting the preview button. And you're going to go in and you're going to test it out just like you did when you got introduced to the site and how to play Kahoot. So you hit the classic button. You're going to put the game pin in. And what's great about this preview button is that you get to actually see it happen on both screens. So you'll see exactly what you're going to see and what your students are going to see. And you'll be prepared. There won't be any surprises. Okay, you hit the start button. And then you'll notice that that question that we changed in the beginning is going to be that first question again. And that is how you duplicate and edit a Kahoot.